This is an installation video on how to install Tein EDFC motor kit onto their coilovers. So first thing is you need a 8mm wrench, which when you buy an EDFC kit it actually comes with it. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the top portion, just loosen it, and you can just turn it by hand to remove it. And this is their clicker, which has a hex end and the top that actually turns and it clicks. So you're going to remove that, and then you're taking a 3mm hex to remove the inner piece, which is this, and then you're going to replace it with a EDFC version. So you have the black and the silver. You're going to put the silver one in instead of the black. You're going to put decent amount of pocket in with supplied grease, this red stuff. Kind of fill up the hole. Then you're going to put the grease on the thread, and then you're just going to install it. Oops. Oh. You're going to turn it in until it is flush with the top. So the very top of the screw that you're putting it in is on the very, very top. So just a little more. Next, take your motor. Oh, I am just messing things up. Take the motor, put the bottom hex inside the screw, turn 3 times or 3 3/60s, and then once you're done you're going to spin, install until there is a tension. As soon as there is a tension, turn 2 3/60s, and then screw and then just check for free movement back and forth. Make sure you're turning clockwise and counterclockwise, and then just make sure it's nice and tight, and that's it. Very simple. It takes no time, and then now you just put this weather seal around the motor itself, and then you're done. Alright, thank you.